My name is Tino Gonzalez. I'm standing here with Ray from Level Up Contractor. My experience was, for a lack of better words, amazing. In our backyard here, we did a complete, if you want to put makeover or reconstruction of the backyard. This was all grass that was patchy with maybe 3 or 4 different kinds of grass. There was dirt, there were holes. There was a fire pit that I built, which I thought was nice. There were some trees that were in kind of bad shape. It was high and then it was low and it was ugly basically. Ray and my wife and I, we designed what we thought would look nice, and we left a lot of it to Ray and his creativity. And Ray has got a great bunch of guys working for him. Guys coming back and forth, deconstruction guys or demolition guys and construction guys and paver guys and digging guys and fake grass guys and a bunch of different guys. But everybody that works for Ray, we had no issue with. They were very polite, very clean, cleaned up after themselves. And I have no complaints when it comes to those kind of things. So I'm very happy with Ray and his team. We had a couple different contractors come and give us prices, as well as Ray. And what we got from Ray was a sense of honesty, straightforwardness, and confidence. Just overall, giving us a very comfortable feeling. He was very good at working with us. Not only did we trust him, he trusted us when our finances weren't finalized. He still went ahead on good faith and went ahead with our project. Even though he didn't have our money in his pocket, he still gave us he trusted us as much as we trusted him. We love the pool. My wife designed. I let her have creativity. They did a great job with the small deck here, the steps, the depth in the hot pool. It's perfect. It's got the right amount of depth and shallow areas, and the hot tub with the seating, it's 100%, and it's really gives you we call it my little piece of paradise. We were gonna go concrete the whole thing because we thought we were gonna save some money, but after Ray's advice and also me checking online that even in concrete there's a lot of settling and resettling and cracking when it comes to concrete. So we're extremely happy that we went this way with the pavers. And like I said, his guys are artists. Look at the design that they make and their cutting. Just great.
Thank you very much, Tino.
Thank you, Ray. Thank you.
Will you recommend us to other people?
I have, and I do recommend Ray and his team to anybody who's not sure. Reach out to him. He'll be at your house the next day, and let him turn your house into a home.